Well, hello. We are live and we're rocking and rolling. We're going to move into creating landing pages and connecting Infusionsoft to forms that are on landing pages, as well as um, Infusionsoft to Gravity Forms, which is a WordPress plugin that creates forms inside of WordPress. So basically, what we're doing is I'll go to my screen and share that, move through a campaign on how to link everything together. All right, so we're going to create a contact us form on each page. And let's see here, basic health. And let me see if I can find your link, JT. There we go. Okay, cool. And this page. So we know that we have to fill in the name, phone, email, and a message. Pretty cool. And the cool thing with Gravity Forms is it just tags. It adds the user and it tags them. So, oh, here we go. So we're doing name, phone, email, and we're doing this information as well, which will allow us to tag the user based on what their question is regarding, whether it's employment, training, continued education, or other, which will turn other to like facilities, and then have another other. So we'll have facilities and then other. But what we'll do is we'll set the tag in Gravity Forms for the employment. So if someone selects employment, it will tag them as the staffing contact us. And so we can differentiate between the three. So we can route that information to whoever is going to follow up with this contact. Everything makes sense?
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so inside of Infusionsoft campaign, I've built this out so it's mapped correctly. Um, so the HTML contact us form will go on the landing page here. And so we'll match up the same fields. And we'll do that really quickly by inserting field snippets. We'll do name, was it email, was there phone number too?
Phone and
Yeah.
I'm losing them all. I have like find it quick.
Oh, where's the message? And then other inside of Infusionsoft is going to want us to select a field. Um, and these are pretty much fields that we already created before, and I haven't created one for this. Let's see if we can create a custom field. Contact us. Area. Advanced options. Customer profile. Take this field. Contact us. Oh, we'll call it a message. All right. Save that. So now we created that custom field. We'll never have to really ever do that again. We'll change this email to, or this message from phone 1 to phone. And those are created. Perfect. We won't mess with snippet or hidden snippets yet. Let's see if there's anything else. Nope, it looks good. Okay, so what we're going to do now is change the thank you page. And have we decided where we want to send them? We'll create a page just now, and then we'll create it later. We'll
I
just
was
make.
gonna yeah, when I got back into lead pages, I was gonna create a landing page.
Okay, so we'll do. We'll call it My Sig Health. Thank you. Contact us. So we'll have everything in here will be thank you pages, and then this will be a contact us. That'll be perfect. We're going to pass the contact information to the thank you page in case we want to collect anything on there or do like an upsell or referral or something. We can have data sent to that page so we know who's doing that action. All right, so we're going to activate that. We're going to grab the code. So the settings allows us to send notifications. So if we want to send notifications to people, we can. And we can also duplicate check. So check person's first or last name and their email address and the company and their email address. We're going to do that. So we want clean data. Okay. And then we'll take the code. So this, because of this landing page is already styled, the form's already styled the design, we're going to get the unstyled code. We're going to copy that, okay? And we can email it right inside of here to our webmaster. So do you know the gentleman's email address? If you want to send it to me in the chat.
I have his Hangout. I'm having trouble getting his email address from it. I don't.
Interesting. Okay, that's fine. I'll send it to JT.
Yeah, I don't understand.
That's fine. Here's the form code for the contact us page.
Perfect.
Yeah. And then boom. So that should go into your email account. And that's how we connect those. I'll show you really quickly how to connect it inside of Gravity Forms. So we'll log into the site. We'll go to Forms.
Infusionsoft.
Here's a contact us. Oh, it looks like somebody filled out the contact us one. Interesting.
I think that one's probably for the. Are you? Sorry, what'd you say?
Okay. Nothing. Okay, so we're going to create, Infusionsoft here. Thank you. Add a new Infusionsoft funnel. We're going to use the contact us. And we're going to map out the fields. So
Okay, this is where we never got to yesterday with some other things.
yeah,
Or not saying it like that.
I understand. We're good.
Yeah.
So let me open link in the tab. I think it just has one name, doesn't it? It's not their first and last name. I might have to separate that out. Yeah, it's just got the name in there. Note to self. Forms, open link in new tab. Actually, I got it right here. Cool. So as you see, you kind of run into a little roadblock because it's got the name here. It's just the simple.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm locked out of here. Running into a little hiccup. Oh, interesting. Why won't it let me change it? Okay, we're just going to call it first name. And then we won't collect the person's last name. And I'll play with that just for time's sake. Okay, so we're going to go back in here, add a new Infusionsoft. So we go in Forms, Infusionsoft. We're going to select the form, contact us. and then first name, phone, phone, email, message. Down here. Okay, it's not being populated there, but we'll tag it. So we'll enable conditionally add tags. So um, when they select regarding employment, we'll select this staffing tag, which I think is like down here. Staffing. We'll also do signature healthcare, and then we'll do signature healthcare contact us. Actually, we're going to remove that because every tag that inside of Infusionsoft, anytime that we tag someone and they become tagged, they're now sent through the email sequence. Because I selected all three of those, they're actually going to receive like 3 emails at a time, and oftentimes it's way too much. And so we're going to ease them in. I'll do the signature healthcare contact us, and then yeah, that's it. And I'll explain why really quickly here. So we did the contact us. We'll be able to tag them later on in a natural sequence. So, like for an example, yeah, that's what we wanted. Sorry. So we're going to add a sequence. So once they move through the contact us sequence, we're going to say add to signature healthcare. Email, or add a signature healthcare tag, and then inside of this we'll add a tag, so it tags automatically. This is a little more advanced. There we go. Now they'll start receiving emails from this after they flow through. Okay, so going back I'll recircle through the information so it makes sense here. We're going to just signature healthcare contact us, and we're going to I'm sorry, I'm having a decision I'm having difficulty making here.
All good.
I don't mind them getting 2 emails at the same time. At the first one, okay, and then I split them up separately. Okay, so I'm gonna make just a decision until we get anything back from them. So we're gonna do signature healthcare contact us, and we're gonna do the staffing side for them as well, and then we're gonna save that. So let's see here. Is there anything else that I missed? Their message, entry date, so we can enter this information. I did put in a URL down here. These are all stuff I put in. Source URL, and then to refer. Okay, so that's all we have for now. So we're going to update that, and we're going to refresh fields and tags just to see if there's a contact. Oh. Am I over my time, Justin?
What's that?
Am I over my time?
Oh, no, you're good. I was just trying to look at the email that I was sent.
Okay. So the contact notes I actually put in the message, questions or compliments. So anybody that types in the message will put in here, and it'll go into the contact notes. And let's see regarding, yeah, so that's good, perfect. We're gonna save that, and that contact us form is now mapped. So anybody that fill that in, that does actually I got a new concept here too. We're gonna tag them here for everyone. Contact us, and then we're gonna move it so we're only gonna have one here. Boom. So now what we're doing is anybody that contacts us through the contact us form on Gravity Forms, they'll get tagged automatically as Signature Healthcare Contact Us. And if they select it's regarding employment, then they'll get the Signature Healthcare staffing emails as well. That makes sense?
Okay, cool.
Okay. So then I'll show you how it works inside of Infusionsoft. So they fill it out on Gravity Forms, they automatically go into the Contact Us, and they get this email. Thank you for contacting Signature Healthcare. We will follow up with you as soon as possible. Because we are working passionately to connect quickly, we will have one of our specialists reach out and assist you in the next steps. Exciting times are ahead, and we are motivated to continue to help serve Iowa's medical facilities and communities together with you, Signature Healthcare. P.S. If you have not received contact from us within 48 hours, please give us a call at 515-252. Oh, I missed a typo. There you go. 0000. We all know technology can do fun things sometimes with communication. Yes, we want to connect. Talk soon. Blessings to you. Like that. All right. So we're going to make that. There, go there. That's live. Ready, ready. And we are going to... Hold on a second. Let me think through something. Okay, so I'm going to end the broadcast. We're good there. And I got to think through the logic here. There's something I think that just came to me. It's going to create a problem with the flow. And what that is because they... Oh, no. Okay, here we go. So I forgot one step. In Gravity Forms, remember how we added a tag and it was the contact us tag, JT?
Yes, I remember.
Okay, cool. So in order to activate that tag inside of Infusionsoft, so anytime the contact us form is added to a profile, so like let's say Sally signs up or hits the contact us form, and she is now tagged as someone who did the contact us, and now she flows from the tag because she's a new tag. She goes into the contact us follow sequence. So she filled out the Gravity Forms. She was automatically tagged. Anybody that's automatically tagged inside of Infusionsoft for the contact us will flow through the sequence. Okay.
Okay, cool.
So let's just say for an example, this wouldn't work, but let's just say for an example, hypothetically, if we had another website, let's say signaturehealth.care, and someone filled out the Gravity Forms on there, or filled out another form and they were tagged as contact us, because they were tagged, it doesn't matter wherever they were on the web, because they're tagged as contact us, they will flow through this sequence automatically. Okay.
So I'm a little lost there.
That's all right. It's a little bit difficult to wrap head around, especially with the flow. But we'll just let that sit and seep inside, and you'll be able to it'll start to congeal. But I just wanted to show you this from an overview.
Okay. Before you leave there, I don't. What you sent me doesn't have any form code in it.
Okay.
So when I log in, I click on that, and I go to the unstyle under the setting under the code and unstyled.
Yeah. Yep, that's it.
Okay.
I will send it to you though.
Okay, yeah, no big deal. I just it okay,
Cool.
so, yeah.
Awesome. All right. And if anything else comes up, let me know. I'm gonna end the broadcast, and we'll follow up with any questions that you might have.
Awesome. Thank you for your time.
Yes, thank you. Bam.